Conclusion. I've given you the inside scoop on the amazing opportunities Facebook chatbot marketing presents. Now is not the time to give in to analysis paralysis. I'm sure this has happened to you because it happens to a lot of people. Analysis paralysis is when you basically refuse to make a decision because you feel that you need to get all the information you need regarding a particular choice. What you're doing is you're simply just buying time. You're just basically covering for your reluctance. Sadly, there is no one piece of information that would finally and fully resolve all issues of risk. Anything worth doing in this life carries a risk. There's no such thing as a guaranteed slam dunk. You can minimize your risk and manage it through insurance as well as with adequate research and diligence, but research can only go so far. At some point, you have to give yourself permission to decide with finality. Either you're going to do it or you're not going to do it. That's the bottom line. To paraphrase Yoda from Star Wars, you either do or you don't. There's no such thing as try. And unfortunately, when you're in analysis paralysis mode, you're just trying to get all the information. You're trying to contain all the risks. You're trying to figure everything out with maximum certainty. That's not going to happen. You have to decide whether you're going to do this. And if you do decide to do it, go all the way. I'm not talking about spending thousands of dollars on custom chatbots, but go all the way in terms of knowing what you need to know, optimizing your results, and eventually getting the results that you're looking for. I wish you nothing but the greatest success with Facebook Messenger chatbot marketing.